Hi everyone, welcome back. Today let's study about the sum of n terms of an AP. Whenever an AP is given, the first term will be A, the common difference is D, and the number of terms are n, and the last term is L. Then we can find the sum of n terms of the AP by using the formula. So there are two formulas. The first one is S is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. That means the number of terms. Here A is the first term and the last term. When these three terms are known, we can use the first formula to find the sum of n terms of an AP. And whenever A, N and D are known, then we can use this formula. S is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d to find the sum of n terms. Let's solve few sums on AP now. Consider the question 8, 3, minus 2, etc. Find the sum of 22 terms. So we have to find the sum of 22 terms. From the given question, let's write the data whatever we know. It's given the first term. First term is equal to 8 and the common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. 3 minus 8, that is equal to minus 5. We got the common difference. Now the number of terms are also given. N is equal to 22. So now see, we have A, D and N. When A, D and N, we can use this formula to find the sum. If the last term is given, we can use this particular formula. So write the formula. S is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute the values of a, d and n in this formula. We get the sum as 22 by 2 into 2 into a is 8 plus 22 minus 1 into d is minus 5, and that's equal to, here if we cancel these two, this will become 11. 11 into 8 2s are 16 plus 22 minus 1 is 21 into minus 5. That's equal to 11 into 16 minus 21 into 5 is 105. That's equal to 11 into 16 minus 105 is minus 89, and that is same as minus 979. So this is the sum of 22 terms of the given AP, minus 979. Look at the next question. Find the sum of 28 terms of an AP whose nth term is 8n minus 5. The nth term is given. We need to find the sum of 28 terms. So let's write Tn is equal to 8n minus 5. We don't have any other values, only Tn is given. By using this, let's find the first term as well as the last term. Then we can use this formula to find the sum of 28 terms. The first term is T1 and that is equal to, so in the place of n, if we substitute 1, we will get T1. So here this will be 8 into 1 minus 5 and that is equal to 8 minus 5, that is 3. So we got the first term as 3, T1 or A, both are same. And the next, let's find the last term, that is L. L is equal to T28 because there are only 28 terms in this AP. So L is equal to T28 and that is equal to 8 into 28 minus 5. So the value is 8 into 28 is 8 8s are 64. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 6 is 22 minus 5 and that is 219. Now let's substitute the value of A as well as last term in this first equation. See here we have the first term, last term and the value of n. We can use the first equation. Yes, n is equal to, yes, n is 28, sum is equal to n by 2 n by 2 into a plus l, and that is equal to what is n? 28 by 2 into what is a? First term is 3 plus l is 219. Cancel this will be 14, and this is equal to 14 into 219 plus 3 is 222. When you multiply these two, you will get this as 3108, 3108. That is the sum of n terms or 28 terms of this particular AP. Here the nth term is given as 8n minus 5. Let's consider this question now. It's given A is 34, the last term is 700, and if D is 18, find the number of terms and the sum. So from this question we need to find how many terms are there in this particular AP and what is the sum of all the terms of that AP. So it is given A is 34, D is 18, and the last term is given 700. So let's write off all the data here first. A is equal to 34, D is equal to 18, and the last term L, that is equal to Tn, is equal to 700. Now by using this Tn, let's find the number of terms in this AP. So what's the formula for Tn? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, and the Tn value is 700 is equal to what is A? 34 plus n minus 1 into what is D? It is 18. Now bring this 34 to the other side. You will get this as 700 minus 34 is equal to n minus 1 into 18. Subtract. You will get this as 666 is equal to n minus 1 into 18. Cancel with 6. 6 3s are 18, and this will be 111. Again by 3, 3 1s are 3, and this will be 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 37. Therefore, you will get n minus 1 is equal to 37, and that implies n is equal to 37 plus 1, that is 38. So, from this we get the total number of terms in this particular AP is 38. That is the total number of terms. Now, what is the next step? We have to find the sum of 38 terms of this AP. Let's see how to do it. So the sum, you have the last term, you have the first term as well as the n. You can use the first formula. Even you can use the second formula as well, because you have D also, A and n, everything is there. Whichever the formula, you can use it. Let's go with the first formula. So S is equal to n by 2. N is 38 by 2 into what is A? 34 plus the last term is 700, and this is equal to 19 into 734. When you multiply this 734 into 19, you will get this as 13946. You need to multiply and find the product here. Consider one more question. It is given the AP as 24, 21, 18, etc. and the sum of few terms of the AP is given as 78. We need to find how many terms are there to make this sum. That is what the question. So here the sum is given, we need to find n, and the AP is given. First write all the datas. Given A is equal to 24 and D is equal to 21 minus 24, and that is equal to minus 3, and sum is equal to 78. You need to find the number of terms. Use the formula of sum, we will get the number of terms. By using this formula, we can find the number of terms. S is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is the sum? 78. 78 is equal to n by 2. We don't know the value of n. Keep this as it is into 2 into what is A? A is 24 plus n minus 1 as it is into D is minus 3. So 78 is equal to n by 2 into 48 minus 3n plus 3. Multiplying with minus 3 with n, minus 3n, minus 3 with minus 1, you get it as plus 3. So now you cross multiply 2 with this side. This will be 78 into 2 is equal to n into 48 plus 3 is 51 minus 3n. Multiply n inside, you will get this as 156 is equal to 51 n minus 3n square. Let's divide it by minus 3. You will get this as, when you are dividing it by minus 3, this will be minus 52 is equal to minus 51 by 3 is 17n plus n square. Now let's rearrange and make it in the standard form. You have already studied about quadratic equation. Bring it into that form. We'll get this as n squared minus 17n plus 52 is equal to 0, because we are bringing 52 to the other side. So this becomes plus 52. Now we need to find the factors of this 52 such that when you are adding those two terms, you will get minus 17, and when you are multiplying the same numbers, you must get 52 as the product. Now you split 52 into two terms such that the sum of those two should be minus 17, and the same number if you are multiplying, you must get 52. So when you are seeing this, you can say it is 13 and 4. 13 4s are 52 and 13 plus 4 is 17. Since the sum is negative, both the numbers are of negative. Now if you refer the video 17, there I have explained how to split the middle term and find the factors. You can refer that to get a clear idea about it. So this will be n squared minus 13n minus 4n minus plus 52 is equal to 0. Take n common, n minus 13 minus 4 common, n minus 13 is equal to 0. Now n minus 13 into n minus 4 is equal to 0. So this implies either n minus 13 is equal to 0 or n minus 4 is equal to 0. This one implies n is equal to 13, or this implies n is equal to 4. So we can say that when n is 4, that means when this particular AP has only 4 terms, then also you will get the sum as 78, or when there are 13 terms also, you will get the sum as 78. We can consider, if you look at this question itself, we can understand when you write one more term here, that is the term will be 15, and when you are adding all the 4 terms, you will get 78 as your sum. Now if you keep on writing the terms of the AP, this is a decreasing AP since the common difference is a negative number. So you will have more negative numbers. When you are adding all those terms, few of the negative numbers together gives a negative sum here, and here a positive sum. When you are subtracting those two, you will get the same sum. So the number of terms can be either 13 or 4 to get the sum 78 for this particular AP. Now these questions are for you. Solve it and find the answer. In the first case, sum of 20 terms of the AP you have to find. The AP is given 5, 8, 11, 14, etc. And in the next case, find the sum of 16 terms of an AP whose nth term is Tn is equal to 5n minus 3. We can use the other method to find the sum of n terms here, sum of 16 terms here. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class with a different topic. Thank you.